Okay guys, we are going to create your energy foldable today. You're going to need your notebook, turn to page 18 and 19, 2 pieces of paper, scissors, and your glue stick. And then we're going to get started. So you're going to take your 2 pieces of paper and you're going to fold them hamburger style. So left page over to right, crease it, and then you are going to take the part that is closed and you're going to trim that off. Okay, there will be a part that's open and closed. You're trimming the part that is closed. So this is what it should look like. You're just trimming the edge off. And laying it to the side. So now you will have 4 pieces of paper. One of these is going to become your top. One is going to become your back. And so how you're going to do this is you're going to take each one, and each one should be the same exact size, okay? So just double check and make sure they are, okay? And then take one. This is gonna be your bottom inside cover. And you're gonna take your left side to the right side. Okay, now you're gonna do the same thing again. So take the left to the right. Okay, and it's starting to get smaller each time, and you're going to take this left side to the right side again. So you now have created 4 different folds. So there was the last one, and then you've got the third one, and then the second, and then that's your total folds. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 actual sections. Okay. So lay that one to the side. You'll come back to it in a minute, okay? And then you're gonna have another one, okay? And this one is actually gonna have 3 sections on it, okay? So you are going to, on the one that I said put to the side, take a pencil and you are going to create one that has the following terms on it. Okay, so this one that has the 8 piece, okay, it's going to say chemical energy, nuclear energy, gravitational potential energy, elastic potential energy, mechanical energy, thermal energy, and electric energy. And finally, electromagnetic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. I took a ruler with mine, and on those crease lines, I put a black line in them. I'm trying to get it focused here for you so you can see it a little better. And then after elastic potential energy, I put a dark gray line. And after thermal energy, I put a dark gray line. That is to separate for your next section. So when you see the next one go on top, you're gonna see your dark gray lines. That is to separate between kinetic, both kinetic and potential, okay? So basically what I want you to do is line those up, and where you put the gray mark on the lower one, you can put a dark mark on this one to separate as well. So that tells you that elastic potential, gravitational potential, nuclear and chemical energy are all potential energy. Then you can see that mechanical and thermal are both potential and kinetic, and electric and electromagnetic are kinetic energy. Then you're going to put a top on yours. That's your top piece. And you're going to put the word energy in the middle. Energy conversion and transfer goes on the right-hand side at the top. Work, power, and then the law of conservation of energy. So that's 3 pages. I want you to put one of the ones that was clean on the bottom. So you have a total of 4 pages. Then you can either glue each one of these down and lift them up so you can write on them, or you can staple them 1, 2, and 3. So you are going to lift up and you're going to write the word powers definition underneath there. Work is going to go here. Energy conversion and transfer will go here. And the law of conservation of energy will go underneath as well. And you can write the word energies vocabulary underneath as well. Same thing for the next one. Kinetic energy is going to go underneath. Potential energy is going to go underneath as well. And then each of these 8 will go underneath as well. So that when you finish, yours will look like this one. I do not have the definitions under it, but you can cut the sections so that you see kinetic and you lift it up and it says electromagnetic and electric. The ones that are both kinetic and potential are mechanical and thermal. And then potential energy is nuclear, elastic potential, gravitational potential, and chemical energy. And you should write the definitions underneath. You will glue the back of this and put it on page 19 so that yours looks like this, glued in. And you'll have all of your definitions in one easy place.